Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to blur specific area in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To blur specific area in CapCut, follow these steps. First things first, launch your CapCut app on your device. Make sure you have the video that you have created for the blur effect. Then tap on your project, choose your preferred video, then just tap on add. And once we on the editing interface, what we need to do is tap on effects, go to video effects. You can just use the search bar to search for blur. Hit on the search icon, then choose this first option. Tap on cancel, then checkmark, then adjust these keyframes to the end of the video. Now let's go back again, go to overlay, then tap on add overlay, tap on the previously selected video, then tap on add. Then fit this newly video on the previous video selected. Make sure it's fit on the screen. Now, once it's fitted on the screen, make sure this video is still selected, then go to the mask section. Go ahead and tap on it. In the section, you can choose the shape for your blur. So for me, I choose the rectangle. Now I want this words to be blurred, so I tap on invert to choose it. Then let's just add a keyframe. And just move where the word is going to lead. Make sure it's blocked. Now, let's preview the video. Now, it's still not perfect, but it's ready to export. And that's how to blur a specific area in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.